guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll explain why it's always a good idea when you have a vehicle to check if you have a cabin air filter and why you should replace that thing. Most of the newer vehicles guys, they will have a place where you can put a cabin air filter, but they will come without one out of the factory. This is the third fault edge that we get guys, and a few other vehicles that they do not have cabin air filters guys. There is a place to install one, but the factory never put one, probably to save money. I don't know what the reasoning is behind that, but this car has been smelling terribly bad. We hear some noise in the blower fan motor as well, so stay with us and we'll show you guys what is causing that now. Okay guys, so we took the motor apart, okay, the blower motor here. Okay, what you have to do usually, you have to remove the glove box. Okay, we removed our glove box and check out right here. It says debris to fall into the... Okay, do not allow debris to fall into the fan area. But there is nothing to stop it guys. Let me show you now. Okay, once I remove the cap, there is no filter in here. So everything from outside, you just come in here guys. We removed the motor. Check out now all the leaves. I don't know if that's mice poop or whatever it is. Leaves, dust, everything goes inside the blower motor guys. Terrible, terrible design. So we got guys our filter right here, and let us show you now all it takes just to put one on. It's super simple. Usually all you have to do, remove the glove box of your vehicle. In most cases, not all, but okay, you just put it guys. Okay, let me see, it goes this. Let me see exactly which way it goes, like that. Okay, and all you have to do, just put your cover on and you're ready to go guys. That way you will not breathe the bad stuff from the outside. You're not going to breathe gas, leaves and all that stuff. So hopefully guys, you can even buy a carbon activated filter that will clean the air. And if, let's say, from the cars in front of you that pollute the air, it will clean it to some extent, so you can breathe better quality air. So that's why you guys should always check if you have a cabin air filter. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys having a bad smell or anything like that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.